a little bit this one.
Okay.
And we can revise. Now, Pythagoras theorem, right? Today we're going to cover it.
Okay.
Find the shortest side, apply the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras in 3-dimension trigonometric ratio. Side length, finding, apply. And bearings, right? And as you learn last 2 years about the triangle relationship, it was found by Pythagoras in Greek, right? So the history, we don't need to read much about that. And also he found root 2, right? The square root. It's yeah, and he's a famous person. Now Pythagoras theorem, when he developed, they draw a square of the each side of the triangle to find out the relationship. What they did is, this is a triangle with rectangular angle. This angle, right? Right angle, 90 degrees. Then what they did is they draw a square top of this P. Right? This is the first one. Right? And again, another square, smaller side, side A, you draw it. Another square, side B. Then they calculate the area. When they calculate the area, this area, the biggest one, equal to smallest square total value, right? Then how do you get the area? This is ABC, this is C, if it is C, this is C. This is B, this is B. This is A, this is A. Then square. What is the area of the square? This area, what is the area?
C.
C square. C times C. Right?
Yeah.
C square. This one, this area, the bottom area, the side B.
B square.
B square. Other smallest one, A square.
Yeah.
All right. Now he found C square equal A square plus B square. And can you draw the this picture?
Okay.
You don't need to draw all the lines.
Yeah.
Just the
box.
side. Yeah. This one. Right? And this is A square. This is B square. This is C square. Pythagoras theorem.
Yeah.
Okay, we got next page. Is the same thing. They use different technique. You don't need to worry about those things, how they calculate. And length can be expressed values of surds, root 2, root 28, 2 over root 3. Example of surds. Right, now I clear this one. They calculate different parts. We don't make it complicated, right? You don't have to worry about that. Right. This waste of time. Now, only simple theory you have to learn about. C square equal A square plus B square. Right? Then use this equation. That's called Pythagoras theorem. Very simple, right?
Yeah.
And can you draw this first triangle? Right angle triangle. And we are going to find the value of the C. Can you remember the square numbers? After 15. After 15, can you tell me quickly? 1 square, 2 square. What is a 2 square? Try.
Right now.
Yeah. You can tell me, and it's all timetable, you know. 2 by 2. Write it quickly.
Okay.
3 by 3. What is the value? 9. 4 times 4. 4 square.
16.
5 times 5.
25.
25. Square numbers. 6 times 6.
36.
7 times 7.
49.
8 times 8. Yeah, you have to tell me, and you write it up to 15. Can you do it quickly?
Okay.
Yeah, 8 by 8. You can't remember the timetable? If you can't, I have to ask you timetable. 1 time 8, 8. 2 time 8, 8, 16.
64.
Yeah, 64. 9 times 9.
81.
Yeah, 81. Good. 10 times 10.
100.
11 times 11.
120. 21.
121. Yeah. 12 times 12.
144.
That's good. Then 13 times 13. 13 times 13. Yeah, 3. 3 times 3. And 13 times 13. 169.
116.
Yep. Then 14 times 14, 196. 15 times 15, 225.
Okay.
Then I'm going to ask next week. You have to tell me within a minute.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, in this question, 169. Then it is c square. C square equal 169, right? Then you have to find C mean. You are taking the square roots. This is power half. You did the algebra, no? 169 square root. Right? This is actually C square times half. This one to this one cut. This is 169. You know it is 39.
Yeah.
You can write 13 square. Square root. Square root.
We have to learn how to do this because they told us when it says the square root, they just told us to put it into the calculator.
Yeah, that's fine. If you don't know, is this not a square number? You can do calculator up to 15. You know by your memory, right?
Yeah.
You can't go and put okay, what is the square root of 169? No, you should know that.
Yeah.
If you want to find the square root of 175, you are correct. You can't do it.
There's a decimal for the square root. Do you just put it to like the nearest like 100?
You can do
10?
that.
Okay.
1% or something. Okay. Okay. Now you send some photos. What is it?
Sorry.
You send some photos to me. Okay. Now next one. Can you do quickly?
With the B.
Yeah, this is a big question. 9.5, C and 7. Actually, yeah. Write the rule, substitute the length of the two shortest sides. Now, always this diagonal one, this called diagonal, is the highest. It should be the highest, right?
Yeah. How do you know which side is like A and B and C?
It doesn't matter. Now, C is a standard, is C is the longest. That is diagonal. A and B is normally we put smallest A, next one B, and C is this one, right? But you see the opposite, this is called opposite to the rectangle, 90 angle is C. See, right?
Yeah.
Other one we call side. You should remember that, right? Okay.
So is 9.5 B?
Then what is the answer? C equal?
Is 9.5 B? Okay.
C is 7 square plus 9.5 square. What is the answer? 49 plus 95.5 square is 9.5 times 9.5. You have a calculator?
Yeah.
Can you find out for me? 90.25 plus 49. What is your answer?
Okay. It says 139.25.
Okay, can you get the square root of that?
Yeah. Oh. 11.800.
Yeah, it's for the 2 decimal point, 11.820. Yeah, you are correct, right? Okay, that's good. This is same.
You have to round it to like anything. If it says like if it said 11.809, would you have to round up to 81 or something?
Yeah, you can do that. It's up to you. Rounded as required. Sometimes exam said round to integer, no decimals, then 11, right? So no, it's going to be 12. It's going to be 12.
Yeah.
This one, we don't need to do that. I just do it with the practice.
Yeah.
That is 2 and 5C. Then you have to remember always this one, that C should be bigger than 9.5. That's why I got 11.8. Here also same. You got 2 and you got 5. It should be more than 5.
Okay. So the 2 is the A and the 5 is the B.
Correct. Yeah, we did the rates ratio best buys. You know, last time we did the best buys. That's the assignment we did.
Yeah.
The next day we did percentage and money.
Yeah. So is it?
I don't think I did simple interest. It's compounding interest rates. Next one, index law algebra. Okay, yeah, you're in Pythagoras. You're done.
I think
you've already done Pythagoras.
We've done rate, ratios, best buys, percentages, and money. Oh, we didn't do simple interest yet.
You haven't done, no? We do next week, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
This
one that we're doing right now is pretty easy.
Yeah, that's right. These are all easy maths.
Yeah.
But we are doing a plan papers. Now this one, yeah, 10 minutes time we are logging again. No? Now 15, 18, 17, state the length, hypotenuse, C units in right angle angles. Right?
Yeah.
That is C, hypotenuse. This one, C units. This one 50, this one 70, and roots 8, this one.
Okay.
Root 8
Why
you
is
can calculate. Huh?
Is it just to calculate the C?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's like
And next one is write down the Pythagoras theorem using the given formula pronumerals. Pronumerals mean unknowns. A, B, C we don't know, right? These right angle triangles. Example z square equal x squared plus y squared. That is for this one. This one different. They changed x and y z, right?
Yeah.
What is this one? What is this one, Pythagoras? Can you write down?
They just changed the A, B, C to different letters.
Mm-hmm. Now, how do you write it? Can you write the Pythagoras theorem for that one?
Yeah. Is it x squared equals z squared plus y squared?
Yeah, x square equal z plus x z square y square, right? No, correct. Evaluate mean calculate. 9 square, 3.2 square. This one 2 squares and roots. Do you know how to find this one? Square root. Can you do that on your book?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How am I meant to do this? Do I just like find out?
What is 3 square?
9.
Yeah, then plus 4 square, 2 square.
And plus 4.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it's 13. And then you just find it. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Then 3 square is 9, 9 plus 4, 13, right?
3.60.
Yeah. 3.6, yeah, okay. Now, this whole question is you can write, you can do at homework, right? Find the length of the hypotenuse each right angle triangle rounding the decimal place. That means you have given the side length, you have to find the hypotenuse, right? That means diagonal, right? You know, this mark symbol is equal. That means this is 5, this is 5. It's like equilateral triangle, right?
Yeah.
Side is same.
I thought you can't do it if it's like that. How can you do it if they're the same?
Yeah, this same means this one length how much? 5. This is 3.2. Then you calculate this one. Same
Okay.
Pythagoras. B and A and B equals same. A and B equals same. Now this is a little bit tricky one. Find the perimeter of the triangle. Now you have to find the perimeter, but they have given split, right? That means you have to find this length and you have to find this length. Apply the Pythagoras twice for this triangle. Find this one, find this one.
I thought it was b plus h or something over 2.
What is B?
The base
B is
times
bottom
height
and the
divided
height.
by 2. Yeah.
That is for the area. You are correct.
Oh.
That's the area of the triangle. But we are going to calculate the perimeter. Right?
Oh.
That
Yeah.
does mean this length, and this length. You don't know this length. You have to use this height and this height. Put the Pythagoras and do it. You want me to do it, you can do that.
Okay.
At home. Got it?
Yeah.
Apply the Pythagoras theorem twice. This is same for cylinder. Find the length of the longest rod wheel inside the cylinder, height 2.1, circular end surface diameter is to give you the answer, correct decimal place. That's a very good question. And also rocket. This is this length, how much rocket is gone. Always Pythagoras theorem.
For the cylinder?
So you got the diameter, height. Then you can calculate this length.
The triangle part?
Yeah, you apply the triangle. What do you do after that? Find the length of the longest rod that will fit inside the cylinder. You know that you can put a rod like this. If you put a pencil, you can put that. That height is this height, 2.1. Got it?
Yeah.
But if you put rod a little bit bent, you can put a longer one. If you put here, center, yeah, it's not longer. But anyway, it has to be touched the surface. The longest one, this one. That's what they're asking.
Have the length of the one inside.
Yeah. Then you have to draw along this diameter and height. You know these two heights. Then you have to find this one. Easy.
Okay.
What is that? What is the theorem you are going to use it?
Sorry.
What is the theory you are going to use?
The Pythagoras theorem?
That's right. But see, this it looks like harder, but see, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, he also same. You find x, you find y, you can find it.
Is it because in the cylinder there's a triangle?
There are two triangles, it's a composite. Then what you do is you find x, then find y after that.
Okay.
Anyway, I explained two questions. Other questions, you have to think yourself.
Okay.
How many questions? Because I'm not correcting your homework. You have to, don't miss it. If you don't know, you have to write the number, page, and next time you have to ask.
Okay. Yeah.
Homework, can you write down? Question number 1. Exercise 3A. I'll send text also. Because I'm not tracking you on a plan. You have to do yourself.
Okay.
Page. This weekend you don't need to. You are not going for temple, no? Are you? I don't think
We're
so.
going on Saturday.
What?
We're going on Saturday for.
Yeah, that's only, no?
Yeah.
146, 47.
Oh,
48, 49,
wait, is it 140 or 150?
46 to 100, 146 to 150.
To 150.